Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I think you guys are probably excited too. I have my first 2020 fall haul to share with you. I'm actually going to be filming another one today too, so if you see me in the same getup, it's because I have the time to film today, so I'm going to run with it. But today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and I have not done a Dollar Tree related video in the longest time. I think the last time was probably a fall DIY from last year, which I'm gonna end up linking down below because you can make it again this year if you weren't on my channel last year and you missed that. We'll get to that in a minute, but I don't go into Dollar Tree just to look around like I used to. I go in there with a purpose and I pick up what I need, unless it is the fall season or Christmas. And I've been doing that for like probably the past year and a half, 2 years. So that's why you see less Dollar Tree content. But with it being fall and Christmas is gonna be after this, you'll probably start to see a lot more of it on my channel. So anyways, let me get into it. The first thing that I have is my favorite, and it is this little monogram pumpkin. You guys have probably seen what I'm gonna show you because the other YouTubers, they're just quicker than me, okay? Your girl doesn't have it like she used to. Thankfully, my store finally put some stuff out, so I was able to grab one of these. And if you saw my at-home fall and Halloween preview for this year, I just made it like last week. I'll link it down below if you haven't seen it. But in that video, they are selling these exact same things for $3.99. So you do the math. This is $1. And yeah, so look for these at Dollar Tree if you like them. They are honestly a really good deal there. Sticking with pumpkins, I grabbed these two. These aren't new. I couldn't remember if this color is new, this dark brown with the gold. These are easy to paint, so I grabbed a couple in case I can use them in a DIY or some kind of a video for you guys, and then I grabbed the white one. They're super light, but they are made of like a resin or a ceramic or something, and just the texture of them makes them very easy to paint because they're not like slick or anything. They hold like just regular acrylic paint well. So I got 2 of those, and they have other colors of those. I just grabbed those 2 colors. I don't even know where to go from here because I have a bunch of like little tabletop signs in front of me, and they're all really good. I think we'll start here. So I grabbed all 4 colors of these signs that they had new last year. So this is their second year with them. And I did a DIY with this one last year. It was so simple. It's like literally the most simple DIY I've ever done on my channel, and it's still my favorite. And I ended up giving that to a friend, so I want to make another one this year. But anyways, there are these little wooden plaques, and the back of them is just plain. This one says thankful, grateful, and blessed with glitter. They all have a ton of glitter. That's like the one thing I don't like about these. The black one says gather with grateful hearts, and I want to do a DIY with this one. I also got the white one. This says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes with so much glitter. Dollar Tree. Hey, Dollar Tree, are you listening? Because we don't want glitter on everything. You're doing really well, but just like, if you just cut the amount of glitter in just half, we would be so much happier. Thank you. Thanks. And then the last one is new this year, and they have a lot in this kind of like seafoamy, greeny kind of a color, which was really, really popular. Like in 2018, this was the fall color, but anyways, this one says eat, drink, and give thanks. And if you do neutral decorating, this will go really, really well with what you already have probably. Next up, I also purchased these 3 signs, and they come out with these every year. There was one that I didn't get that was the same that they have every year, or it looked very similar, but I grabbed this one that says Autumn Blessings with the faux white shiplap. And then they also have the same one with that kind of seafoamy green color. You can see these match really well. So you could like literally create such a cohesive look with some of these pieces. And I still have more to share with you that would work as well. And then they had this one last year, but I'm pretty sure it said a different phrase. This one says, let our hearts be full of thanks and giving. And it does have glitter. The other two have glitter also, but the glitter's not bad on these signs. It's actually done pretty well, so good job, Dollar Tree. I also picked up all 4 of these signs, which these also came out last year, but they revamped them for this year. So this year they have this one in the seafoamy green color again. It says welcome fall with the little cute kind of fall doodles on the side. And then this is like a brown buffalo check. And these are flimsy. If you didn't get your hands on these last year, they're flimsy. They're not like super good quality or anything, but they look cute. So there's that one. They also have this one that says Harvest Blessings with the cornucopia and the wood grain side. We have this one, which is my favorite. It says Hello Autumn with the cute orange and blue pumpkins. And then the side kind of matches my shirt, but the sun is washing it out. The side has almost like a wheat pattern. It looks kind of like chevron, but I think it's supposed to be wheat and like a mustard color. So I just think this one is so cute, and it looks like something that would be at Kirkland's or Hobby Lobby or Joann's. So I love that. And then I hate when I get hair in my lip gloss. And by the way, nobody's gonna ask, but I overshare, so I'm gonna say anyways. I am wearing extensions today, so if my hair looks different and better, that's why I ordered this. It's called a halo. So there's like a little wire that goes right here, and it holds this thick piece of hair in your hair, and it just adds like, I mean, it can add length. This doesn't really add any length to me. It just adds volume because my hair is so thin. And so anyways, yeah, that's what's going on with that, in case you were wondering, like, who is she? She's fake. Anyways, the last one of these signs says Be Grateful in the seafoam color with more little cute fall doodles, and then the side is a red gingham. So those are the signs that I picked up. The last item is a really good one, and I'm so impressed with these. They are these picks that are from Dollar Tree, of course. First of all, we'll get into like how good these look in just a moment here, but I want to make mention of the fact that they are very high quality. They're not cheap. They do not feel cheap whatsoever, but the obvious thing that makes these so nice is just the color theme of it. Dollar Tree never does anything really like this, or they haven't until this year. We can see that they're catching on to the neutral trend that a lot of people love. But yeah, so they have the little cream pumpkin, and then these leaves have so much detail. They have like veining on them, and I love that they went with a sagey color instead of like a tacky green that a lot of times Dollar Tree does with their greenery. I mean, we love Dollar Tree. We don't complain when things cost $1, but like, they're not known for having good greenery, but this is really nice. So I did grab a few of these. I found 3 at my store. You guys will probably see these in a DIY. I kind of want to start making my DIYs right now, because why not? I'm not like a huge DIYer. I used to DIY a lot on my channel, but I haven't in quite a while. But I was thinking I might do a few fall DIYs this year, so you may see these again. And that's what my stores have so far. Nothing else yet. None of the crafting stuff, none of the ribbons. But I have been kind of stalking the Dollar Tree website, and there looks to be some really cute stuff coming. So I can't wait to get my hands on that and show you guys, and maybe do a shop with me there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please, please, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. If you are subscribed, see if you have that little bell turned on, because that actually really means more than being subscribed, because YouTube will actually notify you of my videos as I upload all these little fall videos that I've been doing, if you have that bell turned on. So click on that and let me know if you have any requests from me. I've been making so many more videos lately, than I have in a really long time, and I've just really enjoyed my time back here on YouTube and your guys' love and support and meeting new people on here, the new people who have found me from my fall video. So just a humongous thank you to everybody, and I will catch you in a future one. Bye now.